Welcome back, guys. So now let's see the second question of weekly contest 248. What the question is we are in a city and we have to defend the city, and there are n monsters, and each of the monsters' distance is given from the city, and each of their speed is also given to us. So what we can do is at the start of each minute we can kill a monster, any monster that we want. So this is how we can kill the monster. And so what we have to tell is the maximum number of monsters that we can eliminate. And when the game will end, the game like when we will not be able to defend our city, when any monster reaches to the city, like if any of the distance of any monster becomes zero with time, then we are not able to kill any monster, and then we have lost. Like the city has been lost, and we die. So like we have to tell what maximum number of monsters we can eliminate before we lose, or can we eliminate all the monsters before they reach the city. So yeah, uh, what I will do here is like first of all, let's see the approach. What I will do here is I will check the distance of each and every monster. Like suppose here is our city, and I will check like how much is the how much is the distance of each monster from our city, and what is the speed of the monster. So by the formula time equal to distance upon speed, I will calculate the time required for each monster to reach the city. So yeah, I will calculate the time, and I will first of all I will kill that monster which takes the minimum time to reach the city, because if he will reach, then I will lose, and I won't be able to kill more monsters. So what is the optimal approach is that I should kill the monster which will reach first. So yeah, what I will do is calculate time array for each and every monster, and then I will sort it, and then I will start killing the monsters from starting from zero. So at 0th minute, I will kill the first monster, then I will kill the second monster till the time, till I will kill the monsters till what time will I kill them? I will kill them like I will kill them at 0th minute. Okay, I will kill them at 1st minute. And on what condition will I kill them? On the condition that the time at which I am killing should be less than their uh, time of arrival. If this is so, then I will kill. If the other condition is true, like the time at which I am going to kill any particular monster is greater than equal to that monster's reaching time, then what I will do, then what I will, and then I will break the loop. Then why? Because I will lose at this point, because the monster has reached the city before I could kill it. Yeah, this is the approach. Like we have to sort the that we have to do nothing, but we have to sort the array of time that we will create, and we have to start killing monsters from we have to start killing monsters which have the least time, like in increasing order we go, like the monster which will take the least time to reach the city should be killed first. So this is how we will go on. So let's see the code. So, like as I told that I will calculate the time array, and the time array should be in long double only. Like long double means like floating type integer. Sorry, not integer, floating type value. Okay, so yeah, here I have calculated the time array. Like I have calculated the time for each and every monster, then I have pushed it back in the vector, and then I have sorted the array according to the time. Uh, like I have sorted the time array, and then then what I have done is like I have maintained a pointer k equal to 0. Like at 0th, I will be starting to kill. So if the time is greater than the time at which I am going to kill, so like the reaching time of that monster is greater than the time at which I am killing it, then I can kill it. Otherwise, that monster will reach the city and I would lose. So yeah, else I would break. And if I could kill, then I would be doing plus plus to my answer variable. So this is how I will return the answer. So yeah, that's it, guys. This is the solution for this problem. Thank you very much.